this state of mind, eyes blind, and it is getting dangerous. I don't wanna fight the fear. Do 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 up do up do do up but up do 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 up do 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 up do up do 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 do
Annyeong with a smile, it's KatStyle. Welcome back to another video of the KBeauty Inside. For this video, I would like to do a Filipino makeup versus Korean makeup. So a lot of you might ask, what is a Filipino makeup and what is a Korean makeup? Generally, the latter is more distinct. One can actually recognize a Korean makeup. From sparkly eyeshadows to coral shade of lips to wing eyeliners, you can say that it is a Korean-inspired makeup. While the former is heavily influenced by Asian and Western style of makeup. So in this video, I will show you the specifics more based on my observations to the common makeup Filipinos wear and to the common makeup Koreans wear. Without further ado, let's get started! Koreans like to go for dewy and glass finish skin, while Filipinos opt for matte and powdered skin since it is hot in the Philippines. For the foundation, I have this Peripera Airy ink cushion in the shade Sand. I tried to use mostly Korean brands for the Korean makeup look. I noticed how Koreans like to go one shade lighter than their skin tone to look brighter and more fair. There are actually limited choices when I bought this foundation, but I opted for the darkest one, which somehow complements my skin tone. On the other hand, I used this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in natural beige. Notice how the color for this one is more warm, which goes well with yellow undertones. What I love about this is its coverage, as it is able to hide my pimple marks and dark areas. I just use a brush like this one since it is easier and more convenient to spread the foundation this way. Next is concealer. I use Miniso for the Korean makeup look. This beauty stick is moisturizing and non-irritating at the same time, so it goes well with what I want to achieve for this look, which is glass skin. You can blend it with your fingers or with a makeup blender. Even though this one has a light texture, it's good for natural coverage. For the Filipino makeup, I chose this L'Oreal Concealer Infallible Full Wear in Natural Rose. You could see how its texture is more thick than the previous one. This concealer is true to its name as it provides full coverage with a flawless matte finish. So it really covers under eye circles, acne scars, and even discoloration. Now this one is no secret. For the eyebrows, Koreans tend to create straight eyebrows, while Filipinos go for arch eyebrows. I'm gonna use Etude's drawing eyebrow pencil in deep brown. To create straight eyebrows, I would just follow the ends of my eyebrows, then create a line underneath. And then I would darken or fill in around the sparse areas to create a flat and straight shaped eyebrows. Using a spoolie is also recommended to clean and blend the color to look more natural. For the Filipino makeup, I use Careline Best Brow Liner in the shade Taupe. Somehow, we Filipinos adopted the Western style of creating arch eyebrows. But at the same time, we like to maintain its natural width or make it thicker. As you can see, I am creating a more defined shape from both ends of my eyebrows. I also feel like extending the arch so it would look more dramatic. Koreans love to go for glittery, rose, or peach-colored eyeshadow, while Filipinos go for dark, cut crease, or smoky eyeshadows. I'm gonna use this palette from Colourpop For the Korean look, I chose Woke, a peach pigment, as the base color. Next, I'm gonna put the Sephora Golden Spice on top of the base color. As you can see, it has small sparkly gold glitters. For the eyeliner, I will use dark brown from the same palette. I notice how Korean beauty bloggers do this to give off a more subtle and natural shadow to enhance the eye shape. Then, I will add some golden glitters on the lower lash line. For the mascara, I will use this Estee Lauder's Sumptuous Knockout for both makeup look. The next one is definitely a Korean makeup technique. Using the same eyebrow pencil, I will define the line under my eyes. It is considered to make you look more attractive and youthful. Others also call it aegyosal or eye smiles. Still with the same palette, I will create a dark eye makeup using brown shades that Filipino celebrities love to go for. I use beige as the base layer, then golden brown to define my crease, I like to brush it in a circular motion so the edges come off more natural. And then I will add a darker shade in the deep crease just to add more depth in its colors. I will also do the same towards the lower lash line. And then I will also add some glitters for the Filipino makeup look. Using my finger, I will spread it from the lid to the inner corner of my eyes. Then apply eyeliner using a pencil to the waterline and a black liquid eyeliner on the upper lash line. I would finish this off with a few coats of mascara. To achieve a more matte and powdered face, I will use this Clean and Clear face powder for oil control as well. It also makes the whole look last for a while. And I think my sister was staring at me. Koreans go for pink and peachy tone, while Filipinos go for more orange or tomato shade. For the Korean makeup, I will use a pink popping color, Wishlist. I will pat it softly on top of my cheeks. For the Filipino makeup, we love lip and cheek tints. So I'm gonna use Colourpop in the shade Dio. We really use it all over our face. Drunk blush also became a trend in the Philippines. For contour, I have this Focallure Duo Powder Compact. With this brown shade powder, I will highlight and create shadow on my jawline, under the cheekbones, and to downsize my forehead. For the choice of lip color, Koreans love to do gradient lips, while Filipinos offer matte and nude lip colors which suits the morena skin tone. Using the Laneige two-tone lip balm in cherry milk, I would easily create the perfect gradient lips. This lip balm needs a few coats or a few swipes so that the color would pay off really well. Aside from this, it is really moisturizing. You can do gradient lips nowadays with any lipstick by adding some foundation. On the other hand, I will use Sunny's Flap Matte in shade Brunette. The color that pays off with this shade Brunette is reddish brown nude. This is actually Sunny's signature weightless modern matte formula, so unlike other matte lip tint, this one's easy to wear. Lastly, Koreans go with rose gold, while Filipinos go well with gold colors. For the Korean makeup look, I use this multi-stick highlighter from the Face Shop. As Koreans go for that glass skin, I think this is one of the most important steps to illuminate the skin. Using a golden shade highlighter from Focallure, I will use a fan brush to easily slide some of its color on the same areas. And we're done! Overall, Koreans tend to look more youthful and bright with light makeup, while Filipinos tend to look more mature and fierce with our makeup choices. I hope you guys like this video. If you have comments and suggestions, don't hesitate to comment down below and I'll make sure to read it. See you on my next video. Annyeong!
I can feel your